Oh, hey there. This is Dora Márquez. I still teach second grade still at JPES, but I just want to take a little view on the unvoiced consonant sounds in American English. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you know that C and K had the exact same sound. Listen closely. So I'm going to go to drawing. I'm going to show you the two letters had the same sound. C and K. They both make the sound k, k. Now, how you make that k sound? I'm going to look it up in a little C. Be right back. Okay, so I just found out that the letter K makes a k sound. To create that sound, air briefly prevent from leaving the vocal tract when the back of the tongue lifts and press against the soft palate at the back of the mouth. It is unvoiced, and you do not use your vocal cords. K is an unvoiced sound. Okay, so the next letter is the letter F. See? See my bottom lip and my top teeth? Now for the sound, it says, let me have a look. Oh yeah, it says the F sound is a stream of air sound. That is when the larynx does not vibrate as it does on its voice partner. To produce a clear sound, the upper teeth lightly touches the lower lip. To be observer, the impression that the bottom lip is being bitten by the exposed upper teeth. Sorry, I'm not very good at reading, you may know. Sorry, not good at reading, you know. Anyway, the next letter is the H. If I can get some room here. Now for the sound, air is briefly pushed out in the mouth. Out in the mouth. And your vocal folds will not vibrate during that sound. The letter H makes the sound. Like hat. This means that your vocal cords do not vibrate when you make the sound. Okay, so here's a P. 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 Okay, this is very simple to make the p sound. You start with your mouth closed and lips touching, and your teeth apart. As your mouth opens, a puff of air is pushed through to make the p sound. Here's a note. The name of the letter P is P-E-E, but it sounds as p. And you may see it written sometimes as p, P-U-H. But sadly, p is unvoiced, not voiced. Sorry about that. Now we have an S. 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 Now for S, let me have a look here quickly. So for the S sound, the S sound is a stream of air. The S is voiceless. That is, the larynx does not vibrate as it does on its voice partner, the letter Z. Z. To produce the clear S sound, the tongue is raised high in the mouth, almost touches the roof of the mouth. Like, for example, the toothbrush, right? Now we have a T. This is how I draw a lowercase t. T. The T sound, you can see, is made. Hold on. Okay, so create that T sound, air is briefly prevent from leaving the vocal tract with the tip of the tongue pressed against the toothbrush while the sides of the tongue pressed against the upper side teeth. It's also unvoiced. And this is how I draw a lowercase t, as you may know. So yeah. Okay, now here's some digraphs for you. we have ng, ng. I'm gonna make it just a little bit smaller. N, G, ng. Here are two th sounds. One is the voiced and the unvoiced. Sorry. Which means you put your tongue between your teeth. This is the easiest sound to do. Here we have a sh, sh, a ch, ch, and a wh, which is compared to the voiced w sound, but is no voiced. Simple to make the v sound or the f sound. Okay, so I just found out that to make the th sound, place the very tip of your tongue lightly between your teeth and blow the air through. This naturally makes the unvoiced to add your voice, the vibration of your vocal cords. The vocal chords to create the voice th sound. The v sound is one of the trickiest sounds to learn, especially the voice version. So yeah, that goes all the unvoiced consonant sounds, including the digraphs. So tomorrow will be Christmas Eve. I'm so excited. And so with my children. I hope we got for Christmas. So I hope everyone and the whole family has a wonderful Merry Christmas. I will see you later. I'll catch you later.